Welcome back to Mental Health Makeover with me, Dr. L. Armstead. Let's jump right into it today. Did you know that you can use your words to change your mind? It's true. Words are powerful and they can play a huge role in how you're feeling and thereby what you're accomplishing day to day. So today we're discussing self-talk and how it affects our mental health. Let's reflect for a moment around some examples of how this works in our day-to-day. When you wake up to a big day at work, is your first thought, oh, this sucks. I'll never make it through this day. How about you have a final exam in one of your classes, and as you're walking into class, you're saying to yourself, I could never study enough for this hard test. I am definitely going to fail. Maybe you've been planning for weeks that this Saturday morning, you're going to start your new workout routine. But what happens? You guessed it. Saturday comes and you're telling yourself there's no way you can start today because it's raining or it's too cold outside or your headband doesn't match your brand new socks that you bought. Anything, right, to keep you from doing what's best for you or what you set out to do. Listen, it happens to all of us, so don't beat yourself up about it. Instead, fight back, or should I say, talk back. Use your words to change your mind. Here's how: by using positive self-talk. For every negative thought that creeps into your mental, open your mouth and say something positive. The word says in Proverbs 15:4 that gentle words bring life and health. Just remember in Genesis, God created the world just with his words. We have the same power, so we want to use our words wisely. So let's go back to those life examples, right? So you're waking up to that big day at work. Before all those negative thoughts start to bombard you, open your mouth and say, I am already equipped to handle everything in front of me today. How about that big test, that big exam you're walking into? Instead of beating yourself up and failing before you even start, say, I got this. I am so going to get an A on this exam. That's what happens when you start to speak positivity and boost yourself up. Your posture changes, your tone deepens, your facial expressions adjust, and you no longer have this woe is me attitude, and you start building this I can do all things mentality, and that is great for your mental health. I am here to advise you that it doesn't take much to be proactive about your mental health. This tip this week is quick, it's easy, but it does take practice so that you can go on and build these empowering mental health hacks to keep your days brighter and your joy full. So I encourage you all this week to be cognizant of your self-talk and use your words to positively change your mind. This is Dr. Armstead reminding you to have a great week and to live your life well. Until next time.